Is that you loving me or you just letting go? Oh yes, I'm just telling you. Is that I'm loving you or I'm just letting go? I don't wanna waste your time, baby, you never know. Take all the money and just really go. Save all my time and leave it, yes, because I can't get that, you know. You spite me, you fight me, you don't like me. When I'm down, that's what you like, see. You try to make me angry. The things I don't like, that's what you do. And that's what I see you still do. I don't know what else to do. To love myself or to let you go. So I know that you used to love me, but I still don't know what happened to you. What is this you're doing to me? 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 What is this? I will never know. Oh, fuck it, girl, you're just so crazy, you know. How many times I think of letting go, but I don't know, yes, you got a hold on you. Yes, you're still the best, I know. I wish you just change. Come on, baby. Love me so. But he seems to love to remain the same. No. Oh, yes, I'm keep on loving you. And all those crazy things he seems to do. Oh, what is this you're doing to me? What is this you're doing to me? What is this you're doing to me? What is this you're doing to me?
Jack, you make this beat.
What is this you're doing to me? You're doing to me. What is this you're doing to me? You're just so crazy, you know. And I just can't think of letting go. Oh no.